Hi Springfield Lake State School prep families. This is just a quick video to show you how to access our online learning resources during the lockdown period. So the first thing you need to do is go to our school website, which is www.springfieldlakesss.eq.edu.au. Once you're here, you need to hover over the curriculum tab, and then you need to go down to Learning at Home and click that. So after this, you need to click on Prep, just here. And I believe at this point, you'll be prompted to enter your child's login details. These should have been provided by your child's teacher. So once this is entered, you'll see some folders for different learning areas just here. So there's one for English, Maths and Science, and there's also an Other folder. So click the Other folder, that's a really good place to start. First, you might like to read an introduction letter from the prep teachers. It's called Welcome to the Prep Online Student page. And then following this, please click on the Prep Learning at Home Week 1 PDF. Once you click that, it will take you to an overview of our learning at home. If the lockdown is extended, we'll be making another document that has the week 2 learning as well. So it's a really good idea to print this out or to download it and save it to refer to daily. It provides an overview of lessons for English, Maths and Science, and plus the Just for Fun section as well, giving you some activity ideas. So have a read of what needs to be done for the day. And if you want more details or you need to access a video or activity for the lesson, please firstly check what lesson you need. So for example, in English, it says down the bottom, refer to lesson 1 for more details. So what you need to do here is you need to go back to the page with the learning area folder. So we'll just go back and back again. And we're going to access the English folder now. So click on English, and then you need to access the zip folder here. So there's actually a tutorial or a PDF document that tells you how to do this called Unzipping a Package. But all I do on my Mac is just go across to the 3 dots at the right hand side. You click that and I just click download. So I've already got it pre-downloaded to save some time. All you need to do is double click on English Prep Package 6, and then you're going to see a folder that says Files. So click on that, and then you're going to be able to access all the different lessons that are referred to in our overview. So the 01 means lesson 1, 02 lesson 2, etc. So let's say we need to go to lesson 1. Let's click on that. And here you are. This is our lesson 1. You can read through for extra details. You can also access any of the little links that are referred to in the overview. For example, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed, you would just click on this and it'll take you to the video that you need. If you go down, there's also things like we've got the rhyming pairs. You just click on that if you need the activity for the rhyming pairs, and you can access that as well. So another easier way to access these resources is to actually go back in your downloaded English package. If you go to Files, and then in Files you'll see Resources, so click on that, and here's a full list of all the resources that are referred to in the English lessons. So if you needed to access the rhyming pairs, they're right here, you can click on them, and that's perfect. So the last thing I want to refer to again is the Other folder where we started. So let's get out of that. If we go back to where all of the initial folders are, you'll see the Other folder. If you click on that, you can find a folder here called Music, and that's got some little activities from Mrs. S that you might like your child to do. If we go back again, there's a number of different PDF documents here that you might like to go through and access as well. So, warm-up documents and links to online resources and things like that. So I hope this has given you a bit of a picture of what's available for you to access with our prep online learning. And remember to focus on the one-page overview that we've developed so you don't get too overwhelmed with the amount of content. As your prep teachers, we're here to help. So please contact us via Class Dojo or email if you've got any questions or issues with accessing anything or anything like that. So thanks for watching and happy learning at home.